Now that you've finished your outline, it's time to create your mind map. A mind map is a visual representation of your outline. The title of the book should be in large letters in the center. The topics and subtopics should surround the title. Stylize your words to make it exciting, and use drawings to illustrate your topics and subtopics. Make sure you use the whole page, and remember, you must have 8 topics and 2 subtopics. You must also have 8 drawings for your 8 topics. Your mind map must be in color, and your drawings must be neat and detailed. My outline had 8 topics, and I need to reserve space for the title of the book in the middle, so I need to divide the page into 9 zones. I'll divide the page vertically 3 times and horizontally 3 times. Put the title of the book in the center of the page. Notice I started out with very light lines so I could erase them later. Have fun with it. Add stylized text and a couple of pictures too. I'm going to draw the title in bubble letters. I'm going to make it fun and also draw an eye. Your 8 subtopics should come out of the title with arrows. If you can represent a topic or a subtopic with a drawing, go for it. Otherwise, add stylized text. Your drawing should look better than my simple stick figure drawing. And don't forget to make it colorful. Good luck making your beautiful, neat, and detailed mind maps.